How many megapixels are your eyes? You look at a beautiful sunset and decide it's a moment worth savoring. You take a picture and it looks like this. Where did all the colors go? The details, that feeling you got looking at the horizon with your own eyes? Well, cameras have become advanced, but they are not nearly as advanced as our eyes when it comes to capturing details. Some cameras boast 12 megapixels, 18 megapixels, even 40 megapixels. But your eyes? They are equivalent to 576 megapixels. Imagine the amount of details in that. That is not including how good your eyes are at seeing different shades of color. So the next time you want to savor a moment, don't take out your phone. Just watch it with your eyes and enjoy that moment in